Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. It's been long. I'd made a haul of Dollar Tree, so I'm going to do that today. So I've got a lot of stuff that I wanted to share with you all. And yeah, please grab a drink and a snacks. It's going to be a lot of things that we're going to watch. This video is going towards the collab of Sunday Funday, and this is hosted by Deco and also Gingerchick Rehab. And if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in the description box, as well as playlist of all the participants. And Sunday Funday, as the name goes by, you don't have to stress yourself much with anything in specific, so you can do any video related to whatever you like. And I like to do hauls, so I did a video on haul, and then this is going towards that collab. So let me start with the food, and this is something cool from Dollar Tree. You see the price on there? It's $2.99, Snyder snack, and this is really a good product. And I usually buy this from Kroger, and Dollar Tree carries this. And you see the price, it's $2.99. So I got two of these, one in wheat and then one sourdough. So I got really surprised seeing snacks like that. And this is one of our favorite rice crackers. It's low fat, low sodium, no cholesterol, gluten free. So this is one good product we always buy from there. And did you see this? It's like crispy coconut rolls, and it's definitely a good product we have used in the past. It's a good one. And my regular fudge cookies. This is cool, isn't it? Vegetable crackers. Got one of these. And they have in a different flavor this time. 7 super seeds, brown rice cakes. So, and I grabbed some of my favorites. Hershey chocolate bar. They come 5 with almonds in it. So this is home. Pink Kisses. And this is for one of the upcoming event, Valentine's Day. And I got some spices, garlic pepper seasoning. And they're a good size for $1, isn't it? Got one of this. Cinnamon sugar. This is for one of my upcoming baking process. And garlic powder. Isn't this cute? So the whisk, they come in beautiful colors. So this beauty aqua color, I just fell for it, so I just got this. And one of the measuring cup. Just wanted to have one more extra, so this is home as well. And I wanted some baking tray. This is for my brownies. And I know this is a winter product, but I like the design of the snowflakes. This cute mug, and this is such a beautiful mug with decent size. So I'm going to use this. I love this mug. I don't know, I fell for it, so it's just home. And some more paper cups for travel, 10 of them. Some transparent spoons. This is for upcoming craft project. Ziplocs, 45 of them. And trash bags, the big size ones. Got one of these. A pair of disposable gloves. These are for my projects. And they have 10 count one. I mean, I just throw it in my car whenever we go out. I mean, we prefer to wear gloves. So, and I got some nice Valentine themed containers. Look at the size of it. It's so big. And this is one of the container, and this is for one of the art project. So this is not for home purpose. And this is one of the heart. This is also for upcoming projects. And I don't know, I might use it around the house or maybe for project. I like this design. I've seen so many of my crafting friends doing artwork with this. So I want to try on my side to give it a try on that. So yeah, this is home as well. And the next item is this beautiful flower pot. It's got like brown wood kind of a texture, but it's plastic. It's so beautiful. It works for farmhouse kind of a decor. So I got one of these. Have you seen this? This quick eraser sheets. They're like, how many packs? 5. It works wonders, you guys, so I recommend this product. This is if you have something that you have to just quickly erase from your walls or kitchen or bathroom, it works wonders. So this is home. Shoe covers in case you're having a dirty boots and then you have to walk around the carpet. This helps a lot. So I got. And I have some of bath mats, and I love their bath mats. So I love this color. It's like beige, and it works for, you know, farmhouse kind of a project. It's like ideal for that. So I got a couple of bath mats. This is like a plain one, and they come in designs as well. One with the blue design, and these are all for my upcoming projects, you guys. So plain again. And I like this one. It's so beautiful. It's got like black print around it. So yeah, this is home as well, and one in blue print. So yeah, these are the few of the bath mats that I'm going to use for upcoming projects. And I got 2 in black as well. So this is a decent size. And this is also for one of the upcoming projects, you guys. So this is home as well. I want to show an interesting product. This is the fake security camera. And then, you know, something that you wanted to give a fake look, this helps. And it takes in how many batteries? 2 AA batteries. So after fixing it, I'll show how it works. So this is really a good product. I thought it's interesting. So it's home. And I wanted to show, I haven't used this, but want to give it a try. And this works for iPhone XR and 11, and this one works for iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 6 Plus, and 6S Plus. So all the plus signs. So this is basically the screen protector. So I want to give it a try. I never used it. So these 2 are home. And I love the smell of this, so I bought one of these as well. And this poncho, rain poncho, this comes really handy if I just throw it in the car and I forgot to keep umbrella in there. So I got in few colors, green, blue, and pink. So this is interesting. And I got a couple of face shields. And I didn't expect this from Dollar Tree. So they're not that bad. They got like foam backing. Let me open up and show you. I got this plastic, and this is like a foam. And it protects your head. So this looks interesting for $1. What do you think? I think so. And next in the beauty section, hair scrunchies. My daughter went crazy with all this hair scrunchies. And this is one of the satin, I think. Such a beautiful color. She picked one of these, and brown and gray and chocolate brown, maybe light brown. So these are the her scrunchies. And this is interesting. And they're like velvet. They come in like two of them. One is a scrunchie and one is the bow. Let me show you. This is the hair tie and this one is the bow. So yeah, this is interesting. This is like a good product. For $1 they come like 2 in a pack, and this is very nice. And this is for one of the upcoming projects. I got one pantyhose. I'm sorry. This is for one of the upcoming project. And let me show what I got for the beauty section. And I don't know, it looks like it's a good quality from the name here. I have to give it a try. So I got one of this body wash, and isn't that a big size? It's like almost a liter. So this is like a spa treatment at home, and see the name, it's from L'Oreal. You can see L'Oreal, and then it's got so many good things in there, like sulfate free and things like that. So I thought, like, why not? So this is home as well. And I got few of my favorite soap bar. This is Pears. I love this. And my lavender color soft soap. So yeah, this is one of my favorites there. And I got a lot of mothballs, and this is much required for me. I got like 5 of them. I throw in all the closets. You know that this protects from cockroaches and things like that. And I got candles. I don't know, I fell in love with this green color, so I wanted to do something with this. So I got one large green candle. This is for the upcoming projects. And these are all the supplies that I do candle making. So I'm going to do one of the project with this. So this I got in white. And this beautiful green. And what flavor is this? Coconut and lime. Interesting. So the next ones are crafting supplies. I needed a lot of glue sticks. I always buy from Dollar Tree. So they come like 20 in a pack. Crafter square. So I got like 5 of them. This is much needed, isn't it? For crafters. And I got one of this rolling tape. I ran out of it. And white paint. And some spackling paste for my upcoming project. And one caulk. So this is also for the project. And I have this duct tape, gray color. And yeah, this is for the project, one of the upcoming project. So yeah, please look out for that. And this one also, I needed 2. And this hair rollers. And this is also for the upcoming project. And I got this cute galvanized planter. So I'm going to do a farmhouse kind of a project. So this is home. And this one was so cute and it was staring at me. So I brought this home. So I'm going to do something with this. Yeah, please look out for that as well. And this planter was so bright and beautiful. So yellow in color, and then I thought, like, I'll do something with this. So I had to bring. Sometimes, you know, they just stare at me, so I have to bring them home. These are such a cool vases. They're so beautiful. I got they were in almost all colors, so I fell for gray. So I got like 2 of this beautiful gray flower vase, and these are for upcoming projects. And I got what 2 in white. Look at this beautiful design. They're so cute for $1. So I got 2 of these as well, and they are for upcoming project. And this wine bottle stopper, can you see that? It's so beautiful. It's like one of the green rose and one has got like mermaid tail. So 2 for $1, you can't beat that price, right? And this is really a cool product. I got this one for $3 from Five Below. And when I saw this, I grabbed a couple of them. And this is really a good product. It's like 6 of them, string lights. And they're cool. And it takes 2 AA batteries into it. And I'm going to make a project out of this. So this is, I mean, it came home at the right time since the Valentine theme is going on. I'm going to do something with that. So yeah, this is for the upcoming project, you guys. Please look out for that. I can't believe Dollar Tree is already selling like a spring stuff. So yeah, I got some of this garden stake, the windmill. It's got like beautiful gray paint on it. So I'm going to use this for one of the upcoming project. And one in butterfly. And this is also for project. Yeah, please look out for that as well. And this is a sprinkler. It's sunflower. Isn't that cute? So yeah, I love sunflowers. So this is home as well. And this green truck was so cute. It's like a one of the fairy garden item. So yeah, this can be used for multi-purpose. It can be used for all season long if you paint it and decorate it. So I brought one of these. Can you believe this? This is a good quality charger plate. And I saw this sometimes back, this kind of a product at Michael's. And you know, Michael sells it for $3. And I think it's really a good buy for $1. So this is home. It's definitely a good quality. And some of the picture frames. And this is so beautiful. And it's so classy. So I'm going to do something with this for the upcoming projects. So I had to bring this home. See the beautiful white and silver on the borders. So beautiful. So this is for upcoming projects. And this is so cute. It's got like a wooden frame all over. And you have some tag, you can, you know, decorate this frame. So this is home for upcoming projects. And my clothespin, this is for the project as well. And yeah, this is farmhouse wooden plaque. So I'm going to use this for upcoming projects. So this is one of the stickers, be joyful always. So I'm going to use this for upcoming projects. These are the things that I want to share with you all, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Like I always say, I want to share my happiness with you all. That's why I made this haul. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing to see beautiful Dollar Tree haul like this. So I am Dollar Tree crazy. I keep going to Dollar Tree for something or the other, and then I find cool stuff like this. So I buy them and I share with you all. So yeah, please subscribe if you like to watch more like this. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.